Alright, Joms TV Media here at Downshift. I'm with Miss Chanel of Honda Brio Club Philippines. Ma'am, good evening.
Hi, good evening, sir.
How are you, ma'am?
I'm fine.
Kamusta mamang event?
Ang saya kasi may kita-kita kami ng mga members and ng founder namin. Yan, si
Sir
Brian.
Nathan. Okay. Yan, ma'am. Ano meron ngayon?
Mini GT tambay lang ng Honda Brio Club Philippines.
Okay. So, okay. Shoutout sa golf.
Shout out sa Golf.
Yun. Sobrang... Ito.
Thank you, Golf, sa pagsama sa mini tambay namin.
Okay. You. What is Honda Brio Club Philippines is all about?
Honda Brio Club Philippines is car club siya, syempre, sir.
Oh, yes.
Pero meron kaming mga bagong ipinapasok sa club like charity,
Oh, okay.
like
That's nice.
medical mission,
Okay.
helping orphanage, and helping others. Kung sino man yung alam namin pwedeng matulong.
Oh, that's
Parang
nice.
nagpo-focus kami ngayon na more on charity event.
Outreach.
Yes, outreach and mga medical missions ang
Okay.
kinikater.
Any particular, ma'am? Any particular na kinikater nyo in terms of sa outreach?
Like, sa outreach, meron kaming mga seniors,
Okay.
mga kids with special needs.
Okay.
And sa medical mission namin, yung mga seniors din. So,
Okay. That's nice. Very noble, ah.
yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Ma'am, paano makapasok sa Honda Brio Club Philippines?
Siyempre, meron tayong kailangan video, sir.
Any gen, ma'am?
Yes, any gen. Gen 1, Gen 2, Amaze.
Okay.
Any gen pwede.
Pwede.
Open lahat kami. And syempre, punta sa mga mini GT, year-end party.
Yes.
So, welcome kami sa lahat ng Brio Club.
Any requirement, ma'am, na may 2 meets ba? May mga ganun ba?
No requirements naman, sir. As long as nandun ka sa GT, pwede ka magpa-member sa akin.
Okay. Which is normally happens tuwing kailan? Yung GT.
Actually, every month meron naman. At saka,
Okay.
ang maganda sa amin, sir, is once na member ka ng club namin, makakakuha ka ng discount sa mga partner namin. Like, si Golf, kinukuha namin.
Alright.
Kakausapin ko si Golf para
Yan.
maging partner ng club namin. So, may sa Motolite, marami pang shop. Sobrang dami. Siguro nasa 60 plus na cars,
Okay.
accessories, and mga shop ang partners.
Which is one example here at Downshift.
Yes, Downshift partner namin si Downshift.
Here in
Yan.
Marikina City.
Yes.
Later, we'll talk to yung owners naman.
Yes, sir.
Yun. How many years ka na member with Honda Brio?
5 years akong member and 1 year, mag-1 year na ako president.
Ma'am, question. Paano ka naman napasok in a man's world na you're the president of the group?
Man's World.
Yes.
Una, gusto ko lang siyang sumali, sir. Actually, kasi nga yung husband ko is si parent.
Okay.
So, wala akong alam sa car. So, kailangan kong matuto. Kailangan may alam ako sa kotse. So, kaya ako eager na pumasok sa Honda Brio Club Philippines.
Tapos naging
So,
president.
mababait yung member nila. Actually, sir, mababait yung former president namin. Lahat ng kailangan mo, helpful sila. So,
Yeah.
on the spot, pag kailangan mo, PM lang, or kung nasang lugar ka, nasiraan ka, pupuntahan
Very
ka
supportive,
nila.
no?
Yes, very supportive. Kaya, parang sabi ko, ay, okay itong grupo na to. Talagang, kumbaga, parang kayo magkakapatid.
So, parang family, no, ma'am?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir. Parang family. So, yun. Kaya ako naging more active.
Yeah.
O, ngayon, so kaya ko na magbaklas ng gulong.
Marunong ka na,
Yes,
ma'am.
sir. Kaya na. Kaya napasok tayo dito. Pero hindi ko rin naman alam na magiging president ako. So, thank you din sa mga members namin and admins na nagluklok sa akin kung nasan ako. Ako yung first na president ng Honda Brio Club na girl.
Lady. Girl power.
Yes, girl power ito. Pati yung mga core members, is puro girl. May boy kami, si Pau siya kasi ila J-Mark. Pero more on girls.
More on girls. Ma'am, sa racing ba, may plano ka rin pumasok?
Tatry ko magpapaturo.
Okay, so abangan
Pagkaya naman, pagkaya.
abangan natin si ma'am. Baka one of these days makita natin si ma'am sa racetrack.
Makakaya, oo. Makakayanin.
Kasi
Girl
pumasok.
power to.
Yan. Ayun, ma'am, alam ko busy ka at napagod ka na dito sa activity sa whole day. Kanina pa sila nandito, ngayon lang tayo nag-shoot kasi nga ang dami activities. Of course, in partnership with Golf, and of course, Downshift. Ma'am, advice na lang sa mga next generation.
Advice ko sa next generation na sasali sa grupo namin. Ano lang, marunong ka lang makisama kasi marami kayo so iba-iba yung ugali ng bawat isa. So marunong ka lang makisama and parang family treatment lang. Yun yung pinaka-okay na para makabuo kayo ng magandang samahan.
Correct. Right. O yun guys, you heard it from Miss Chanel of Honda Brio Club Philippines. Ma'am, sobrang thank you. More power and more members to your club, to your team, and we look forward na mag-race ka na.
Yes, sir. Thank you kay Golf.
Thank you kay Golf. Of course, shout out kay Golf, and of course, thank you Downshift. Yeah.
Thank you Downshift.
Ayun ma'am, next event pala. May next event kayo?
Meron kaming niluluto na year-end party.
Year-end party?
Yes.
Ay, naku ma'am. Sige, it will be an honor.
Yes, sir.
Sige ma'am.
I will add you up, sir.
Thank you ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Ma'am, saan ka mo pwede naman follow?
Sa FB lang, sir. At Chanel Cero.
Tapos ma'am, yung Honda Brio, dun sa mga gustong sumali.
Sa mga gustong sumali, Honda Brio Club Philippines, request lang kayo. So,
Ayun,
sagutan nyo lang yung mga tanong namin.
Okay. So, madali lang pala sumali, no? Alright. O ma'am, thank you very much. Have a great weekend. Ingat sa pag-uwi, ma'am. Drive safe. Congratulations, ma'am, sa successful event. And, ayun, ma'am. Hope to see you again, ma'am, sa mga susunod pang activities and most event. Sa susunod pang mga event. Ma'am, thank you very much. God bless, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you. Bye, ma'am. Alright, guys, here at Downshift, still, I'm with, of course, two of the racers of Honda Brio Club Philippines. Of course, I'm with Mr. Pau and Sir J. Mark. Alright, sir, thank you very much for this, for your time. And welcome to our channel. Ayun. Sir, race. Paano kayo napasok sa racing?
Way before 2018, nagre-race na talaga ako. Pero I started using the Brio last year lang. So I did a full season this year.
Okay. So which is, ano sir, track?
Yeah, circuit racing.
Circuit racing.
BGRC. Bracket and Grip.
Okay.
So shoutout sa mga kasamahan ko dyan na naglalaro dyan. Sa Bracket and Grip.
Sir, kamusta naman ang racing career mo?
Ayun. Okay naman, overall champ naman tayo sa grupo na.
That's nice. Congratulations.
Golden Wheel Awards.
Golden Wheel Awards. Oh, guys, yung Golden Wheel Awards, this is the award that is given on a yearly basis in recognition of
different motorsports.
Yun. Okay. Sir, anong advice mo naman sa mga gustong pumasok sa racing?
Start on what you have. So hindi naman kailangan na upgrade tayo pabilis or suspension. Start with what you have, then after nun, improve your driving skills.
Okay.
So, it's not necessarily na kailangan malakas auto or maganda goma o maganda brake. It's more on how you drive your car.
Okay. So you're driving already, nag-start ka sir on a stock?
Yeah, on the stock Brio, ECU tune.
Tapos ECU tune. Then, sa, ano na, upgrades na?
Upgrade na. Nag-upgrade na lang on needs kung kailangan talaga.
Okay, with Sir Pao naman. Sir Pao,
hi, hello.
Experience with racing.
Ayun, so mag-start lang sa, nung nakuha ko yung Brio ko as a kid, talagang want ko nang ma-experience ang racing. So, nung nagkaroon na ako ng sariling car and sariling budget, nag-try ako, nag-start ako sa motocross.
Okay.
Philippine Motocross Championship.
Okay.
Series pa yan.
Series.
And then, puro mga, yun nga, mga grassroots events. At saka yung usually mga autocrosses. So, then slowly nag-start ako sa mga track attacks. And hopefully, next year makasali tayo sa mga bracket and clip.
Oh, okay. So, abangan natin yan.
Yes, hopefully.
Hopefully.
Para dalawa na kaming Brio sa
So, sir, any advice na lang sa mga gusto mag-race, especially in this generation?
Kasi manonotice natin madalas sa mga gusto sanang sumubok sa racing is natatakot.
Yes.
Ang yun ang isa sa mga mali. I mean, kasi yung mga tao sa loob ng karera ay mababait. Very approachable, lahat sila tutulungan kayo. So, huwag kayong matakot kung gusto nyo subukong pumarera kayo. Subukan. Basta legal, syempre.
Tama yun. Huwag sa street.
Huwag sa street.
On the street.
On the track.
Yan. Sir, next race?
Nako, wala.
Wala pa?
Under repair yung Brio.
Under repair.
Next
Sir J. Mark, next week?
October 18 and 19. So,
CFOS.
in-invite namin kayo sa CFOS. Sa
Okay.
March.
Nandun din tayo. Makikita natin si Sir. Yun guys, makikita natin si Sir sa CFOS. Kasi we're going to bring you the live action. And we're going, our channel is going also to do interviews with the racers.
Right.
And of course, may mga car shows and car meets din, di ba sir?
Exactly.
Yun.
And support Honda Brio Club.
Yun guys, Honda Brio Club. Dun sa mga natatakot mag-racing ng Brio, katulad niyan. Sir, Gen 1, Gen 2? Gen 2. Gen 2 din. Katulad ni ma'am, Gen 2 din. Sir, okay ba handling ng Brio? Maganda ba siya pang track?
Yeah, of course, kahit all stock, wala namang kaso. So, again, yun nga, improve mo yung how you drive.
Driving skills. Alright. O yun. O guys, papakawalan ko na itong dalawa, baka may karera pa. Alright. Sir J. Mark, thank you very much.
Nice to meet you, sir.
Sir Paul, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Always be safe. Drive, ayun guys, always. God bless sir and good luck sa racing career. Thank you very much. Thank you. Guys, ito yung member ng Honda Brio Club Philippines. Yan, si Sir Moises.
Admin siya ng
QC admin.
QC admin. Okay. So kung gusto niyo sumali, if you have, anong requirement sir?
Basta bring your Brio lang, sabi.
Bring your Brio.
Tapos fill up lang ng form and then ayun, kuha na ng sticker, badge number.
That's it.
Para at least maka-avail din ng discount sa mga partners natin.
Yun na nga. Yun ang meron mga existing na ngayon at saka meron ongoing.
Yes po, may ongoing po tayo.
So,
Basta may events, basta punta lang sila.
Something to look forward.
Yes
no?
po,
Alright.
thank you.
Sir Moises, thank you. Thank you. Guys. Sir, shoutout ka muna. Hi guys, I'm with Sir Nathan of
Hello.
Honda Brio Club Philippines.
Hello. Shout out sa mga Brio Club and thanks to Jones.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Good to see you again, sir.
Good to see you again.
Thank you. Ingat, sir.